Bulavinaka. Greetings from the Fiji Embassy in Jakarta, and welcome to the Virtual Expo 2020 organized by Investment Fiji. Trade between Fiji and Indonesia is active. However, there is huge potential that could be explored given the opportunities that exist in both countries. The two-way trade between Fiji and Indonesia is currently valued at 56 million Fijian dollars, with a notable 5.1% increase in flow of goods and services towards Fiji. Fiji's export to Indonesia is valued at an average of about 1 million Fijian dollars. The Indonesian market is valued at USD 1,119 billion, with a pre-COVID-19 annual GDP growth of 5% over the past 7 years. The Ease of Doing Business 2018 index, conducted by the World Bank, ranked Indonesia at 72. Indonesia is the biggest economy in Southeast Asia, with a huge domestic consumer base of around 270 million people, strong in agriculture, which contributes 15% GDP, industry 46%, manufacturing 24%, services, which includes trade, hotel and restaurants 14%, finance, real estate and business services 7%, and other sectors that are active and developing strongly. In terms of interest in Fiji's market, despite its relatively small market size, Fiji's hub status and accessibility to major markets like Australia, New Zealand, US and China is a major attraction for Indonesian investors and potential business partners. There has been strong interest shown in Fiji's pharmaceutical and medical supply sector, manufacturing, tourism, steel, and fisheries, to name a few. There are other sectors that we, your embassy here in Jakarta, can help you explore for opportunities that potentially exist. Visibility and awareness of both markets is critical to improving knowledge about the Fijian market and its hub status. We work closely with Investment Fiji, which has been a massive boost in our efforts to amplify the visibility and awareness of the Fijian market here in Indonesia and vice versa. So please feel free to make contact, as we, your embassy here in Jakarta, are ready to assist your business venture at our best where possible. Pinaboliu Lolono from the Fiji Embassy in Jakarta.